We got the 2023 IS 500. This is like the fourth one in the last 2 weeks. Love this car. It sounds amazing with the setup we did. Let's start from the front. It's pretty much all stock. You have the cats right here. The secondaries right there. Here are a little bit of resonators, and this is where we did all the work. We removed the mufflers, replaced it with these sick quad matte black tips that are available at gexhaust.com, guys. You could go get them. Here are the mufflers right here. You could always bring them home if you want. You could throw them back on. If it's a lease, return it, whatever. But with this setup, it's gonna sound a lot more aggressive and give it that sound that you want to hear. Guys, go check out the links in the description. We have gexhaust.com that you could own a profitable business, franchise, turnkey operations, huge profit margins, or if you want merch, you could go to muffed.com. All right, let me know what you think. Also, I'm gonna insert some B-roll of this Rapio. This color is sick. Let me know what you think. All right.